Damn. Except for the tyres. She's looking clean. Not quite brilliant. Not quite sure how I feel about the Sunstrip yet. It's really quite weird when you first get one. Like, where's the view gone? But, there we go. We'll deal with it. Anyway, so this evening, off to see Sir James. He's recently got a black gold Clio in for scrappage. I just rang him then and he said he's pretty much taken it all apart anyway, because I did say I'd help him take it apart and clean it up and see what it looks like, because I may need some parts for my sexy beast. Wow, to make it a sexier beast. So yes, I'll come back to you when I'm there. What is this? What has happened? That's definitely better than mine. It's intact.
Don't get me in this.
Oh, I'm pretty sure I want the wing. It's in decent condition. Not the bonnet though. James got a rubbish bonnet.
Sorry.
It's got more dents in it than my face.
You'd have another one on your face.
Was it actually intact when you got it this morning? Yeah. No, it's just dead pretty much already. A few more bits to take off, but another thing I'm going to do while I'm here is video the track car, because I think it looks badass now that he's done everything. So we see it before, it didn't really have anything. I'm going to go over sort of it slowly and sort of methodically. So starting with the air filter on top, was black, you could see all the welds, but James has sanded it all down and sprayed it and got his little ram air who's teamed up with on there. The little tour sign, which he obviously uses all the stickers for, but clean with the new bolts and orange, and the scoop actually looks pretty decent to be fair. So that's number one. Number two is the chalk bonnet, or chalkboard bonnet, sorry. You can just about see what was on there before. It has rained recently, so it has all come off. Stickers from tour sign, still a little bit of chalk left as well. Orange, and a massive sticker from tour sign, which I think looks pretty decent with the Facebook and the Instagram on there. And a cheeky ram air sticker on the front. Don't know if I showed you the alloys before actually, but yeah, Team Dynamics is exactly the same as me, but massive JMRS sticker. And he's also featuring one of his little stickers that you can buy, which I mentioned in a video before, 650, 150 goes to a charity, so I think that's pretty decent. I have got mine, but I haven't stuck them on yet, so don't tell them about that. Spoiler that he's actually used some sort of filler to get rid of the brake light, because he doesn't want to spend all the money on a brake light, which is fair enough. I didn't say to him, why didn't he get a bit more of a V6 kind of lip on there, but there we are. Sticker on there as well. On the back he's got the orange badge, nothing else has really happened. 2 sponsorship stickers. MS Custom Engineering, which I'll show you in a minute, does all the inlet manifolds and that, what I want to get on mine. Electrical stand and everything like that. Obviously inside is still looking pretty much the same. He's got the wiper delete on the back, I gave him that. I know, legend. In the back, nice and clean with all the wires tucked, so we've got all the wires running in these tubes all the way around and all looking clean into the back there. Cage, now with proper 6-point harnesses in. Don't worry, that's not zip ties holding them on, that's just zip ties holding the excess up. But yeah, still everything in there looking clean. Last bit before we go to the inside is, or last two actually. So he's got his washer blanks. I want these in my life. He's also recently fitted a massive racer split, which looks mad. I don't know if I'd have one this dramatic on mine, but it does run all the way back like it probably should, so it's doing all the water guard and all that jazz as well, which is decent. My air ducts as well, which he come and took off me rather fast, so he could fit them on for the track day, but he's got the air ducts in on both sides. Orange badge, all orange and pretty to match, and exactly the same on that side with the air duct. Don't worry, we'll be buying some more for my car. This is quite a cool modification. You might have seen it on the JMRS page, but he's got his little air vent there. Apparently this does stay open and shut while driving around. Oh, I've got some stuff caught on there now. Sorry, James. Oh no. There we go. So shut. Apparently it does stay shut. I've thought through sort of wind pressure it'd start to move open, but it's quite stiff. And when it's open, apparently it stays open pretty decent as well. So that is pretty cool. Obviously a lot of people go for it, but you can get water going on the inside when it rains and stuff like that. So it's a bit of a rain deterrent as well, which I think is decent. We'll pop the hood in a minute because it's pretty mad on the inside. Oh. Inside, oh, 6-point harness for pure safety. It's one of those funky ones where you got to do every single one by itself, so it's none of this quick malarkey. But before, I can't remember if I showed you one before, but the straps were literally half this size. And oh my god, I couldn't imagine what it'd feel like if you crashed or jolted forward in one of those, but that ripped your shoulders apart. So decent, thick ones now. Like I said, it's all strapped in properly and all that. The seats were just bolted in standard, and I don't think they were bolted in very well, but like I said before, James was going over the whole car and checking that it was good. But now the seats are on runners. There you go, as far back or as far forward as you want. I think it took them a bit of a time, but they're all on OMP sort of bottoms, and obviously we got the OMP seats as well. Steering wheel was the same, also on the inside. What is this? That's not a Clio. Also on the inside, committing to the orange theme. Hasn't got the orange in there, but we're not going to say anything about that, are we, James? We're going to pop the bonnet and we're going to have a look under there. James has just said to me, I say, why is this blue? But he did have a black one on here, but someone really wanted a black one, not a blue one, so we had to swap it over. So customer service and all that, you know. So imagine this is just black. But I think that looks well clean. So this is all MS Custom Engineering. His name is Max. He works sort of in Froome. You can send your parts to him. So inlets. He also does extras, so you can do this and that. But it's all sort of, yeah, looking beauty. He's also got the dress-up kit on it. So all of this is black. Ah, it just looks beautiful. So this is kind of what I want with mine. But I think I'm going to go red inlets, red, potentially red and red. But I don't know what to go on the front. Maybe just go black on everything, or I don't know, we'll see. But I've got my red induction kit going in mine, and that beastie in there as well, so you can see how tight the fit is with it all in. But I think that looks pretty mean. He's got all the orange pipes and everything, orange for the windscreen washers. It's just 100% commitment to detail. But yeah, he will be changing this back to black. This is something what I want mine to look like. This is what an NA should look like. Clean inlets, nice induction, big ass cone. I would like the engine cover on mine, so look, once again I'm going red, and then hopefully a black engine cover with some red stickers on it as well, because I like the engine cover. I think it cleans it up a bit and takes away all the cables at the back. But yeah, that's a run over of James's track car. This will potentially be up for sale actually after the next track day, depending on what James does with it. I think it's all decisions to be made, I think. But yeah, maybe get in touch if you're interested in a track car that's pretty much complete. I really want the cage, but he's not giving it to me, so. But yeah, looking mint.